Hi, I'm Carrie Cooper, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. And I gather that I've asked all of you to introduce yourself, but I haven't introduced myself. And so that's what I'm here to do today, is to tell you a little bit about who I am. And first of all, I am very excited to be getting to know all of you this semester and to be teaching this academic library course for the first time. And given that it is my first time teaching the course and my first time using Canvas, I will be so appreciative of your patience with me. I'm not even sure if you really want me to upload videos, so this is purely an experiment. So my job is Dean of University Libraries at William & Mary. William & Mary is the second oldest institution of higher education in our country. And we are one of 9 universities that were founded before the American Revolution. We're one of the colonial colleges. The first university was Harvard, second was William & Mary. See if you can find out who the others were. We are actually celebrating our 326th year as a university, and Charter Day is how we celebrate. So every year in February we celebrate our charter, but this February we're having Charter Day coincide with the inauguration of our first female president, Dr. Catherine Rowe. Now, we're pretty excited about Catherine Rowe at the library because she is a Shakespearean scholar, and she has used special collections throughout her career to advance research and to use with her teaching and with her students. So she really gets what we do, and that's really exciting for me and for all of us who work at the university libraries. So I'm going to pause here and just say to you that I want you to have a great week. I want you to enjoy the readings. I hope you do. You're going to be reading an article by John Thielen, and you're also going to be looking at the Carnegie classifications. I'm going to give you some optional readings if you want to dive a little deeper into the history of higher education, and you want some more information to just round out your learning. So I will be online on Sundays between 4:30 and 5:30. I'm asking you to download the Zoom client if you haven't used it before. It's pretty easy. I'll be on Zoom between 4:30 and 5:30. You can log on and just say hello. If you want to ask questions, you can do that too. I'm going to pause now and tell you to have a great week. Thanks. Bye-bye.